Welcome to Tech Talk. In this video, we will talk about file upload controller. So let's suppose take a scenario in which we have a data entry form like this, in which we need to enter first name, last name, address, salary, age, and we have to attach a document with this form. But that document is not a mandatory field. So uh, we will have some option in React how we can implement this. So first of all, let's take about I have added a normal input type file is a HTML control, and on change we have added on select file handler. So this control works better. We can see that file name is selected here is appearing. But problem with this, there are two problems with this control is that first one is look and feel is not up to mark as per material design and as per this form. So and second problem is we cannot deselect this file, because this by mistake if user select the file and if we want to clear this field, he cannot do he cannot clear this file. The only way is just a hacky solution is he again need to click on this and then cancel. This is only the way by which he can clear this field, but this is not the correct way. So let's jump into second option, which material provide a file upload controller. So let me comment this out, and here I am using text field type file and same event handler I have attached on change. So let's see how it looks like. So it is looking like better than previous one. We can select the file here, and we can see the file name, selected file name here like this. But for one solution, one problem is resolved, that it is looking like better than previous, but we cannot deselect file, we cannot clear this field. So to mitigate this problem, we can create our customized component in React. So I will let's use that, and let's see how this behave. A file upload controller, it is a React component, a customized component which we have created in our application, and we are going to use this this time, and let's see how it will looks like. This file uploader component has two events: on file select and on delete file. And let's see how. Let me remove disabled, and let's see how it's looking like. You can see it's looking like better than previous two file upload controller. Here we have a file icon is there, choose file. Here we can select the file, and if by mistake user has select the file and this is not the mandatory field, and at this moment he want to clear this field, so he can easily, by clicking on this delete icon, he can clear this field and click on save. So we are going to explore how, this file upload component, and I am going to explain how we can implement this, and also implementation of this. I am attaching a GitHub link in description, how we can implement this type of component in React. We can also create a drag and drop, customized drag and drop file upload controller, uh, and hopefully I will provide that solution in my next upcoming videos. So Let's jump into Visual Studio Code and let's see the implementation of this file uploader component. So let's see the implementation of file upload control. So inside Visual Studio, let's explore the HTML part of this file upload component. Here I'm taking a div, so a whole div which is have a gray border and same styling like other text boxes. So my first parent div is file and class name is file uploader. Let's see the styling of this file uploader. So border in gray color, border radius is 3 pixel, display flags and justify constant space between, so that uh, so that if we space between, because if we put a child component inside this div, they will adjust at one at this end and second one is at this end. So these are the styling. And now look into the first div. So I have created two div inside one div, parent div. First div is depicting this area. I have put a icon, file icon, and choose file. And second div is for delete. So let's explore first div. Class name is file hyphen div, and we are attaching disabled because if our component disable props is true, then a class is attaching disabled. So let's look into this file div. So file div styling is just display flags and width is 85%, because this div should take 85% of the area of the parent div, and 15% area will be remain for delete, I mean second div. So this is all. And apart and inside this div we are taking a MUI button control, and in this button control we are putting a attachment icon. Attachment icon is a part of uh, MUI icon material. So make sure that you have installed this package in your React application. Only after that you will be able to access these icons, attachment and delete. So attachment icon, and after attachment icon, this is our actual file upload controller. And just focus on one thing, that we are hiding this component, this control, because uh, there is a tricky this is the trick to create a stylish file upload control. Behind the scene this control will work, but it will not appear for end user. So we are hiding this controller, and we are taking a reference variable, hidden file input, as a ref use ref variable, so that we can perform some action on this. So this is we have attached a ref here, and on change, handle change, and disable is equal to disable. Whatever disable we are getting, we are passing this to input. And then in the same div we are showing file name, whatever file we have selected. So if we selected the file, we have taken a state variable here. This is the state variable. So if file is selected, then all selected file content will be in this state variable. So if this file is selected, then we are going to show the name of that selected file. Otherwise, if file is not selected, then we are going to show choose file. So this all the things is wrapped inside button component. And when we click on this button, handle click event get executed. And if we go into handle click, because we click on button, so on the button click, the click event of file upload should be fire. So how we can do that? We have all, as I explained, that hidden file input is attached with the file input control. So we can do this hidden file input dot current dot click. So this way we fire click event of file upload controller. So when we click on button, actually open select file will be open. Now let's move to the next part of this div, second part, which is delete. So I have taken a icon button here. Icon button is also a part of MUI material, and in this we have provision to attach and display the icons. So delete icon, I have put a delete icon here, and delete icon is the part of MUI icons material delete. So make sure, again I'm explaining, this package should be installed in your React application. Now on the click of this icon button, we have on delete file handler, and so this handler, on click of the file, this handler will be executed. On this we are clearing the file state variable which we have, and then we also clearing the hidden file input current value is equal to null, and then we are calling on delete file event handler. And I also miss the handle change event which was executed on this on change. So when we select the file, then this event get executed. Here we in the event.target.files we get one file. If we have multiples, then we can pass their multiple, and you will get multiple files here, and you can set those files in set file, and then call the props on select file. So this component has two events: on select file, on delete file. And what props? We are taking two props, accept, which actually used to restrict the file selected file format, and another app props is disabled, which is used to disable this uh, component. So suppose if we mark this as disabled, then in some scenario, then you can see that this control is disabled. So this is the way by which we can create our own customized file upload controller. We have full control to make stylish file upload control. We can change as per our requirement. Here we have full control of this. So thank you for watching this video. If you feel this is helpful for you, then please like and comment on this video, and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you for watching. Thanks.